Hey, what's up guys? Will here with BriderTech, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get iOS 12. And this is a very simple process, and you don't need a developer account to get this beta. And this is the beta, so keep that in mind. So this might affect your device. It might make your device slow or drain the battery excessively. And this is a very simple process. All you need to do is go on this website, and I'm going to leave the link for this website down in the description down below. And once you're here, just tap on iOS 12 beta profile, just like that, and then you're gonna get a few ads. Just wait for the ads to play, and once you're here, press the skip button and press allow right there. And if you have an Apple Watch like me, it will ask you to choose. Since we go for iOS 12, we're gonna choose the iPhone, and we can go right there, and you can press install and enter your code. And once you enter the code, it's gonna ask you to install, and you press install. Then you're gonna ask you to restore. And when you first start again, go back to the settings, go to general, and go to software, and you're gonna see the beta right there. And just press install and upgrade your phone to iOS 12. And that's all for this video. So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you're gonna upgrade to iOS 12 or not. And I'll see you next time with a brand new video.